Yeah. Let's continue Python for AWS Data Engineering. In this session, we are going to discuss very important topic is Python programming indentation rules with examples. It is very, very important whether whether you are writing Python programs or Python based framework programs, all should follow these indentation rules. So before writing any Python program, you should know these rules too. First important rule, rule 1. Every Python statement should start at column position 0. Let me open Python cell. Let me open Python cell. I'm opening command prompt. Then I'm typing Python. Then it will start a Python cell, right? Here, let's say, here I'm writing column position 0 means starting point. So whenever we open here, cursor is blinking, right? Blinking. So this is column position 0. Let me write a statement here. Print welcome to Python world. Then press enter. It is working. Instead of column position 0, I am giving one space. Space, I am writing print hi. Then press enter. You can see error. So indentation error, unexpected intent. Instead of starting column position 0, it is started column position 1. So every statement should start at column position 0. So we seen this statement in Python cell. Let me see same statement in Jupyter notebook. Let me start Jupyter notebook. Let's quit from this one. Now let's start Jupyter notebook. Jupyter space notebook. Yes, we have already created a Python file, right? Click on this Python file. Now I am writing first statement in column 1. Let's say print hi 1. Then shift enter. Okay. Let's say output of this one. Now what I'm doing, instead of column 1, I'm giving one space. Then I'm writing print. Then I'm writing hi 2. Then shift enter. Here it is working. Same thing, if you ran in command prompt, it failed. Yes or no? In command prompt, when we ran that one, we got issue. But here it is working. Let's understand one important point here is, let's say in the cell, how many statements we have? How many statements we have to? Inline team. How many cells we have? Yeah, one statement, correct. So if a cell contain only one statement, it remove spaces before the statement. Let me write multiple statements, then see. So first statement, I return print high, let's say high one in a giving space. Okay. Then second statement, I return from column position one, column position one. Third statement, I return in after giving some space, two spaces. Fourth statement, I created giving two spaces. Let's say high three and high four. Now you have multiple statements. Then check shift enter. Here we got error in first statement saying indentation error, unexpected indent. So if it is one statement in a cell, it is removing spaces in a prefix. If we have multiple statements, then what is our first rule? Every statement should start at column position 0. Then first statement is not followed this rule. That's why we got error. Okay, clear, right? Yeah. Next important rule team. Next important rule is start of block. One line you can give any number of spaces. Yeah, we get work. If it is single line, it will adjust. If you have multiple statements inside a cell, then it will check a first rule. Yeah. Next important rule. Rule. That's what I'm saying. In Python cell, we do not have that option. Jupyter is taking care of removing spaces in Jupyter. If it is a one statement in cell, that feature not available in Python cell. Yes, from starting of cell, starting position of cell or starting position of Python cell. Yeah. Now let's start discussing start of a block. If you see C++, Java, this is starting of a block. Here we write one statement or we write multiple statements. Yes or no? In C++, Java, this is start of a block. But in Python, we use colon operator for start of a block. So block means it may be if block, it may be loop block, it may be function block, it may be class block. Block starts using colon in Python. It may be if block, it may be loop like for or while, it may be function block. It will start with colon in Python. If it is Java, C++, it starts using curly braces, starting curly braces. Okay, let me take one example to understand this one. I'm taking one example. In this, I am writing one condition. If 10 value greater than 5, execute this statement. Else block I am writing. If this condition is false, print this value. So first condition is true, then it will enter into this block, execute statements, then control comes out of else block. Let me execute this program. Shift enter. You can see 10 is greater than 5. So any block starts using colon operator in Python. And next important rule block end team, end block or block end or end block. Let's say end of block instead of end block, end of block. In C, in C, Java, this is starting of a block. We write one statement, we write n number of statements, then end we can use using end curly braces. This is start of a block, this is end of a block in C, Java kind of programming languages. Coming to Python, there is no statement to say block is ended. Block is ended. There is no separate statement to say block is ended. Then how Python understands block is ended? Let's take different use cases to understand block is ended. Case 1, I'm taking some statements. Let me show you. See, this is my case 1. In this case 1, I created if block, and if this condition is true, control enters here, and here we return statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Then here after last statement there are no statements. That's why Python understands block is ended. Yes or no? Here there are no other statements after third statements, then Python understands block is ended. This is case 1. Go to case 2. Let's take another case, how Python understands a block is ended. So here, let's take another case. In this case, what I'm doing, see, here I created if block. Inside if block, I return three statements. Then fourth statement is not belongs to if block. Here, how Python understands block is ended is if any statement starts equivalent to block statement. If any statement starts equivalent to block statement, before this statement, what are statements presented? Those are considered block statements. Let me execute this one. Let me execute. You can see 4 statements are executed. You may have a question. Is first 3 statements belongs to block or not? Let me take same program. Let's change a condition. See, 10 less than 5? No. Then condition is false. It will not enter into block. Then execute. We say output only one value. It means these 3 statements belongs to this block. Let's take another important rule. Very important rule. If you are writing any block, inside a block, all statements should follow same indentation. into same position of spaces. Let me take this program. So I am creating one block called if block. Let's see. Here, when I press enter here, by default, it gives three spaces, and then you can write a statement. So all these three statements followed same indentation. But another program, what I'm doing, instead of same indentation, second I'm giving some tab space, third I'm giving two tab spaces. When I write statements like this, Python gives left and right saying, A Sreenivas, your statements having indentation errors. Let me execute to shift enter. From second, it is giving error saying indentation error, unexpected indent. All statements inside a block should follow same indentation. Otherwise, you will get error saying indentation error, unexpected indent. You can give one space, two space, three spaces, or four spaces, or five spaces, but all statements inside a block should follow same indentation. If first statement, if you take 10 spaces, and remaining statements also, you have to give 10 spaces. Let me take this one. Let's say uh, two tab spaces for all three statements. It will work without any error. You can give one space or two space or three spaces or 10 spaces or 20 spaces for first one. The remaining statements also you have to give same indentation. Indentation means spaces. Otherwise, you will get error. Inside a block, all statements should follow same indentation. So these are four important rules we have to remember while writing Python programs.